Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this great gadget as a gift. This is the itotal LED table lamp, and we can check the specs here on the one side of the box, and we have the rest of the specification in other languages also here. This is a USB LED table lamp. It is like a crystal ball, and this one represents the lunar surface, and here the box doesn't give any more information, so let's open up this one and check the product itself. Now look at that. I guess this is a crystal ball already. I think I should use a pair of gloves here, or at least you should, because this must be a fingerprint magnet. I really like this moon representation here, and it seems that we have a manual here or some sort of it. It is in various languages, but for now I can just see the specs here, so I'll come back to this one later. And we also have the base with the LED and the USB cable here, and to be honest, I was expecting a lesser quality. Here you can see the LED, but this seems to be wooden. That's a nice touch, and there is nothing else in the box. And here we can place the crystal ball on top of its base, and this is interesting. You can see there's only one side of the moon here, the other one must be the dark one. So here we have the manual, or so it seems. We have here various languages, and I cannot see anything important here other than you shouldn't place this one near a window to direct sunlight, but that is applicable to any electrical device, so avoid that. Let's get back now to the crystal ball itself. The USB cable seems very long, so let's check it out. Well, it seems to be very long, not the longest ever. This is a typical USB port, and that powers the LED light that shines this crystal ball in the dark. I'm surprised that this is a really well-made glass ball here that is solid, and that adds to the value of this product. Now the side here is not engraved, so that I guess will leave only one side to be visible, but we just have to check this one with the LED turned on. So here we have our typical USB type A, and we have to connect it to the power plug. And here we have some light. Well, this is a blood moon. Okay, you can have RGB colors here. That's really interesting. That is really bright, even in straight daylight. I would really like a controller here to control the light, but I guess they won't have included such a trick here, and that's a real shame because now it's cycling through the RGB spectrum. And that's my main gripe with this product. I think this is a missed opportunity here, but let's check now this one in the dark. Okay, so here we have it in the dark. It glows really well. You can check it here from a different angle. Here you can see the surface of the moon with this glass engraving, and you can see also that this is a real fingerprint magnet here. You just need something as a microfiber cloth to clean it really often if you touch it. And just check this angle here, this surface. I think that's its brightest and greatest side to watch. So this is it. This is the itotal crystal ball LED lamp, and what itotal means is one color controller. Now leave us a like if you liked this video, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.